Like, I'm just dumb. I live by myself now. Okay. What else do I need to talk about? More, because y'all don't even know what the happened to me.
I am that bitch. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag, and I am not gonna take your shit.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh, y'all probably like, bitch, you is not slick. Anyways, if you're new and this is your first time, you know, clicking on a video, welcome, because basically I'm starting over with my life on YouTube. I'm starting over with everything going on, and you know, you can catch up from here. If you're old, what's up, guys? Y'all really real for coming back, because I've been gone for 6 months. Prior to that, I was gone for like 3 months. Prior to that, I was gone for like another 6 months. And if you know me, you knew that I was a very consistent YouTuber. I posted all the time, all that good stuff. But what I'm here today doing is really just telling y'all where I've been, like what's going on. Like, your Twitter got deleted, your Instagram got hacked, you ain't posted, like, you're dead, like you're done, like something has to be wrong. So let me just backtrack my last video that I posted and see what was going on during that time. So the last video I posted on YouTube was 6 months ago, and I did a waist trainer haul, okay? And 7 months ago, I did a makeup tutorial. So 7 months ago, I was in a different apartment. I moved out of that apartment because I had some issues with the rental company, with the roommate situation, all that type of stuff kind of just started going left. So I moved here into a 1-bedroom, and it's still not done. Everything's still not done. So I want to give y'all like an apartment tour once I get my couch and everything set up. But I live by myself now. Okay. Grown step 1. 2, my rent costs a little bit more. Bills are happening, and I always tell y'all, once them bills start slapping me, I just turn like depressed, anxiety, all that starts happening. Okay, around that time, I was also gaining a lot of weight. I had gained like 25 pounds last summer, and when I got back to school, you know, I was a little bit thicker. And that company had sent me some waist trainers, and I was wearing waist trainers back then, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's 6 months ago. And I had moved into this new apartment. So that video was in my new apartment in a different area. Okay. Now, this semester of school has been the craziest semester, if we're being completely honest. I know y'all probably like, bitch, just say it. Well, I just crossed Kappa Alpha sorority incorporated, and yeah, shout out to me, congrats to me, fall 21, you know, got my little bracelet on. Y'all probably was just waiting on me to say it, but I did pledge this year, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I had been waiting on this moment for a very, very, very long time. So when it happened, when the opportunity was thrown in my face, I just felt like if I missed this opportunity, like I'm just dumb, like something's wrong, like I failed, you know, at something. So, you know, we started off in school in August. I got in my classes. I was going to class. Next thing you know, they purged me from the system. Oh, if y'all don't know, I go to Grambling State University, HBCU in Louisiana. Y'all know that though. But I got purged from the system, and I wasn't able to attend classes. Like, they had took me out of the classes because apparently I didn't accept the loan, and all this type of stuff was going on. So for 3 weeks, which was like the whole September, I was not in classes. I was at the school every day trying to get back in classes, trying to add the classes back. Some of the teachers was like, no, I'm not going to let you back in. And I had to go find other classes to be a part of. They didn't want me to be a part of it because I was late. And mind you, for AKA, I had to be a full-time student, which I had to have 12 credit hours. So they had just dropped me. Okay, they had literally just dropped me from all my classes. I had no hours. So I'm looking like, how am I supposed to turn in my packet? And I'm not even a student here. Like, they just took me out of all my classes. So I got back into my classes like a week before homecoming, a week or two before homecoming. It's like the beginning of October, and I'm like, okay, cool. 3 days, I think 3 days before I had to turn in all my paperwork, for AKA, I was finally a full-time student. Barely, y'all. I had to beg and plead and cry to some of these teachers to please put me in your class. So I finally got back in those classes. I was stressed out. Me and my mom are just so irritated with the fact that all this happened. Then with the paperwork situation, I'm running around like a crazy person trying to get all the info I need, but we'll talk about that in another video. If y'all want to know my experience with that, we're going to talk about that next in another video. But I was dealing with that, stressed out about making sure everything was perfect, make sure I turn that in, making sure I'm on my P's and Q's, making sure I am ready for this new journey, you know, in my life. So that was going on. I'm stressed out. Homecoming comes around. I'm ready to turn up because I've had the worst of the worst time. But at the same time, I can't even turn up because I'm waiting on a call saying like, hey, you know, yeah, we want you, girly. So I'm sitting here like, okay, I'm stressed, anxiety, bills. I also have a new car, so I have a car note. Things are just like all over the place. So of course I just wanted to turn up, I want to get drunk, I wanted to have fun. Like I just wanted to enjoy life, and I couldn't even enjoy life. So I was sneaking enjoying life. It was just a mess. Also, on top of all that, y'all, I was in a long relationship. I think I spoke on it before. That relationship ended very, very, very badly. And that took a toll on me too. When a lot of things start to happen with me, I just shut down. Lately I've been having bad anxiety. So, you know, I get to shaking or just, you know, just come in my little hole, like in my house and just chill. Like I don't want to be out, or I just, you know, just shut myself off from the world. So that relationship like literally drained it, took it out of me. Like a lot of things just went kind of like wrong that shouldn't have went wrong. It could have went a different way if it was handled differently from both parties, honestly. But that right there, I had never been in any type of situation like that. And if y'all want me to go into detail about how bad that was, kind of, that could be another video. You know, I'm trying to have more videos, more things to talk about with y'all, because it's a lot. Y'all missed a lot in my life. But that really like broke me, if we're being completely honest. That on top of grades, on top of AK, on top of everything else, bills, my boutique, all types of things going on. Everything was just piling up on each other, and I kind of just gave up. So I'm trying to answer the question of where I've been. I hope I'm answering it. I've just been dealing with it all, just trying to figure things out. And I always say that, like, I'm trying to figure out my life. I'm trying to figure out who I am. I'm still trying to figure out who I am. I'm 20 years old. You know, I'm young with a lot on my plate. I'm a lot more mature, you know, for my age. So it's kind of like I try to take on a lot of things that I can't really take on, but I know that I can take it on. You know, I'm just that type of person, like, you know, I'm just gonna try to do everything by myself. So with my boutique going crazy, first of all, go follow the boutique. It's gonna be right here, the exclusive boutique. I have a new collection dropping very, very soon, the winter collection. But my boutique did amazing. I made my own website, logos, everything. I was dealing with that. I invested in myself. I put the inventory in, and I uploaded the website, and on my first month I made like $5,000. If we're being, I'm just being real, you know, I'm very transparent. The first day I had over like 100 orders. Well, not the first day, the first week I had like over 100 orders. And I got my shipping bag, shipping label printer, all that type of stuff. I was really excited. Then, you know, a business always has a down period. I had that down period, and I just got kind of just like, what the heck? Like, I was just making money. Like, I was just doing what I like to do. Nobody's perfect for me. What's going on? I'm like, okay, back in the slump. Like, okay, I failed at this. I felt like I failed at something, and I didn't, and I had to stop thinking like that. So I was too worried about making money. I wasn't worried about doing my homework. And then I wasn't worried. I was too worried about, oh, midterms, let me hurry up do that. That I wasn't worried about AK. Then AK came around, too worried about AK. I dropped the business, dropped grades, all type of stuff. Just, I'm trying to find a way to balance everything going on in my life, because the lifestyle that I want is a very rich, luxury, busy lifestyle. And if I can't do it right now, what makes you think I can do it in the future? So I'm really trying to balance a lot of things, but once one thing comes, I kind of fall or slack on something else. And that's just something that I have to work on, and it's what it is. I get really discouraged. I'm working on that. I'm working on my anxiety. I'm working on just the insecurities in life. But we're gonna figure that out, because we're coming up on a new year. I'm about to be 21. I am now an alpha woman. It's time to kind of, you know, change the game up a little bit. So that's what's going on with me. My hair, okay, y'all really haven't been on this hair journey with me since I cut my hair off. My hair has grown so much. Like, my hair is super long, y'all. I'm so sorry that I did not update y'all since I cut my hair off. But my hair has grown like all the way back to where it was before. So the natural videos are back. The hair routines, the wash and goes, all of that stuff is about to come back. I colored my hair. Just a whole bunch of things just been going on. And y'all know when I color my hair, that means I'm going through a crisis. So you see what's up here. A crisis happened. I colored it. All that stuff. What else do I need to talk about? I lost a lot of weight. I had strep throat like last month, and I wasn't eating for like a week. So I lost some weight that I had, a little bit of the pounds I had. And then lately I just been losing more weight. I just see myself losing a lot of weight. From back when I was, you know, I gained a little bit of weight. I'm definitely not there anymore. I'm back super small. I'm back extra small. I was really reaching a medium when I had gained all that weight, and now I'm back like wearing extra smalls and all type of stuff like that. But me, I realize my weight goes up and down depending on what's going on, what I've been eating, where I'm living at, if I'm out here, if I'm back home. You know, it kind of just depends on what's going on. So it is what it is. Anyways, I want you guys to follow my new Instagram account, because I no longer have 34K. I have 500 followers. I'm starting all over because someone hacked me and refuses to give me my page back. You guys don't have to tussle. You guys don't have to tussle about it. It's okay. We're going to start over. So follow my new Instagram, hollywdxclusive. Go ahead and do that. And my Twitter account is hollywdxclusive as well. My TikTok is, I don't even know. I'm trying to get more into TikTok, y'all. So if y'all want me to do some like transitions or specific TikToks, please DM them to me right now. My TikTok is exclusively Sa, with the X, not the E. And then, yeah, that's about it. Just make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and have your notifications on, because I am about to be posting a lot. And please follow me on Instagram. I really want my followers back. I really want to interact with y'all, and I just feel like I can't do nothing anymore because y'all don't even know what the happened to me, because I just dropped off the face of the earth. I don't have my pages anymore. I don't have anything. So last but not least, whenever you want to find me, most likely you will get a hold of me on Snapchat. So go ahead and follow me on there too at Sabear0323. I'm always on Snapchat. I post more on Snapchat more than any other social media, so you can always see what's going on in my life. So that's what's been going on. A breakup, a failed semester. I did not do well in my classes this year, so that's why I said failed semester. AKA new apartment, a new car, a boutique, all types of stuff has been going on, and I haven't even included y'all, and I feel so bad. So we're going to change that, and hopefully I get this edited and I can upload this probably tonight or tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do an AKA haul of all the stuff, all the gifts that I got from me crossing and everything, and you know, against the green backdrop in there, and just show you guys, you know, talk to y'all a little bit about AK and stuff like that. A lot of people are just like, I want to know about your journey, I want to know everything, I have questions, and I'm just like, okay, this is the perfect time for me to come back and answer these questions. Yeah, so just drop a comment, tell me what's been going on with y'all. If y'all miss me, let me know. Drop y'all social medias. I definitely need some followers, and I definitely need to follow some people because my pages are very dry right now. And if you have any video suggestions, go ahead and drop those as well, because I need stuff to do. And yeah, that's about it for today. But I'm just so excited to be back in front of my camera, my ring light, and my element and everything. This shirt, don't be a boring B word, is from my boutique as well. Sorry, you know, I had to promote my own brand. But yeah, that's about it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow all my social medias. All the updated social medias will be in this description box and for the description boxes from now on. So if you can't find me from the other videos, I'm so sorry, but I am out.